T-matting is a unique patent-pending innovation developed by CID Group in conjunction with contractors, local authorities, and network providers around the UK. Designed specifically for narrow trenching applications, such as the installation of fibre optic cables as part of Project Gigabit, T-matting saves contractors money by requiring fewer pedestrian barriers whilst backfilled trenches await reinstatement. T-matting is highly slip-resistant, highly visible, provides a low profile when installed, and is flexible enough to follow the undulations of the pavement. This means footpaths can remain open to the public, alleviating any negative experience for residents during street works. T-matting also incorporates a unique slip-resistant surface tread, which has been tested to and meets the BS 7976 slip tests. Since T-matting's inception in 2017, over 40,000 metres of T-matting have been used across the UK by hundreds of fibre-to-the-premises contractors, speeding up the civils and construction phase of full fibre rollout considerably. T-matting is available in 2-metre or 3-metre lengths, with 6 versions available to suit a wide range of trench sizes and installation methods. Manufactured in the UK, T-matting is fully recyclable and is available in any colour to suit your brand. Quick and simple to install with no time-consuming fixings, T-matting really is the ultimate solution for temporary cover of narrow trenches. Contact CID Group for more information. CID. Consider it done.